We will guide you through how to make 3D triangle in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD and clicking New to create a new drawing. Change the workspace to 3D modeling, so the 3D view and modeling tools are available. Type polygon in the command line to create the base triangle. Enter 3 for the number of sides because the shape requires 3 sides. Specify the center point of the triangle. Choose inscribed in circle and press enter. Enter a suitable radius, such as 50, and press enter to complete the triangle. Change the view to a suitable 3D view so the triangle is clearly visible. Type line and press enter. Select a point along the middle area of the triangle and draw the line toward the required upper point. Type line again and create another line from another side of the triangle toward the top point. Continue using line to connect another side of the triangle toward the top point. Repeat the process until all 3 lines from the triangle sides meet at the same top point. Check the connecting lines and confirm they meet correctly. Select the original middle construction line and press delete. The remaining 3 lines will form the main edges of the 3D triangular shape. Use 3D to rotate the view and check the completed shape. Select the completed 3D triangle and change its color from the Properties panel to make it visible. Use Zoom Extents to fit the completed 3D triangle in the drawing area. Review the model and check that all 3 edges connect correctly and the model looks clean. Make necessary adjustments if necessary. Finally, save the completed drawing by pressing Ctrl+S and give the AutoCAD file an appropriate name for editing later.